I look at her and have to smile as we go driving for a while. For her blowing the open window of my car. And as we go, I see the lights. I watch them glimmer in her eyes. In the darkness of the evening, mahal kita. Ikaw lang at walang iba. Dahil ikaw lang ang nakapagbigay sa akin ng kakaibang saya. Stop to